Hello, my name is William Young. I am the owner of Edge Roofing, which is a ground-up construction and development company. We offer all types of roofing, residential or commercial, tile, metal, low slope / modified bitumen, TPO, and pretty much all types of roofing. If I start a project, I generally like to give a customer a day more, just for any unforeseens, dry rot, or something we will not see on our initial observation of your roof or assessment of your roof. So if I tell you 3 days, we should be out of there in 2.5 days. If I tell you 4 days, hopefully 3.5 days. And cleanliness, we at the end of every day, we stop, clean your property, make sure all your nails are away. As far as your landscaping and existing conditions go, we do our best to protect it with plastic or attic spaces with plastic, anything that will be exposed during the process of your re-roof. None of your work is subcontracted out. We have currently a 9-man crew. All of our guys are employed by Edge Roofing. We also subcontract for major retailers, so we have a lot of experience. It's very difficult to be a third-party installer, but our customers are very happy when they see us show up on the job. If you do have any roofing problems, feel free to reach out and we will come out for free and give you an estimate on your roof. And we know you'll be happy.